It's a cold, dreary day here in Austin, Texas, with lots of cloud coverage, but that's fine because we're going to look at some real estate that's for lease. This is actually the Lady Bird Lake Hike and Bike Trail. Runs along Lakeshore Boulevard, which is back that way. This is Town Lake, also known as Lady Bird Lake, and there's downtown Austin in the distance. We are standing about 2 miles from here in the corner of 6 and I-35. There's a condo here for lease. It is $1,100 a month, unfurnished, or it's $1,350 furnished. You've got your own private dock to go out with your canoe or your kayak, own barbecue pit with some tables, if you happen to be a kayaker or a canoeist. The unit we're going to look at is right up here. We're actually going to go in through the back way and then out through the front. We're at 1818 South Lakeshore Boulevard. It's on the east side of 35, which is right next to Riverside. It is a dog-friendly community. Everyone just asks that you please pick up after your pet with the nice little doggy bags here. Right up above there, there's a pool, but we're going to look at that in just a bit. Let's go look at the unit that's actually for lease. When I say furnished, it'll come with a bed, a dining room table, couch, utensils for the kitchen. Unfurnished right now, it just has some staging furniture in there. Have your own private little patio area here in the back. It is a single story, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, with bamboo floors. Got a ceiling fan. I mentioned the staging furniture there. Has some bar stools right here that lead into the kitchen with granite countertops. On the right is a water heater. On the left here is a space for a stackable washer and dryer. Also comes with stainless appliances. It's got the fridge there, microwave, electric stove, more granite countertops, double sink, and a dishwasher. It's really cool track lighting throughout the unit. Got some there. Oh, and a garbage disposal as well. Got some track lighting up here in this living area. Then as we go back this way to the hallway, got some built-in shelving there to hold your small stuff. This would be the bedroom here. It does have double pane windows throughout, which is great to keep the noise out. Ceiling fan, again with the hardwood bamboo floors. Got a great walk-in closet here and there. The bathroom in here. It's got hard towel here, just like in the kitchen. And a tub, shower. And then outside the unit, if you don't have a stackable washer and dryer, there is also laundry facilities and a pool. Laundry facilities in there. And then right out here, we've got the pool area. If you have any further questions, give me a call. My name's Debbie, 512-203-1912, and visit my website at debbyknowsaustin.com. Thanks.